Soon as you walk in, this is my front door. Currently right now I have a calendar right here along with my keys that's hanging up, and you'll see throughout this tour that I have a whole bunch of sticky notes posted everywhere. That is because I am currently trying to decorate my home and I want it a certain type of way, and so I have it marked exactly how I want stuff to be and where I want stuff to go. So right here we have the welcome area. I want to put like a shoe rack and like a desk over here, and then I'm going to be putting a mirror up here, a big round mirror. I already have that. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you first walk in. So if you come over here, this is just like my water heater over here, but you're gonna see I have this broom and mop area. I don't have nowhere to put that type of stuff, so I want to buy like a hanger and put it on the door here so the stuff could like hang up, because that's what it look like right now. Okay. Then if you come over here, we have the pantry. Please don't talk about my organization right now. Right now I'm just trying to get it together, but we ain't hungry. We ain't hungry. So yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. I got all that cereal, and I don't even eat cereal. It just look good. And then this is my AC. It's touch screen or whatever. I don't know what I just touched. But yeah. Then we have the kitchen. I love my kitchen because it's just very spacious for me. I like to cook and I like to make different things, but it's crazy because I've been living here and I really haven't even been cooking like that. Like, it's just me and my son, and we don't eat that much. And I try not to cook that much because I don't like leftovers. I like to eat something different every day. So this is my trash currently. I'm going to be buying a silver or pink trash can, and my trash will go right here. Excuse like the dirt mark or handprint. As you can see, those are my baby's handprints all over the walls. He can't keep his hands off stuff. And then, excuse me, this is in the sink. It's just like a pot and some cups. These sinks are really deep. I really like that about this kitchen. Yeah, this is a nice little faucet. Pull down and stuff like that. And then I just got my, woot-de-woot. Then I keep my trash bags in here. Well, recycle bags. My like cleaning products and stuff down here. It's my dishwasher. Almost forgot what that was called. And I'm trying to keep everything labeled because I try to be a very organized person. So like cups will go in here. Plates and bowls will go in here. I keep like pastas and all that stuff in canned goods in there. Up here would be my condiments. I keep all my condiments up here, and I just label this as medicine cabinet. I see people keep their medicine in the kitchen. I always kept it in the bathroom, but I don't have one of those like medicine cabinets in the bathroom, so this would be what that is. Up there, nothing. I can't reach it. Here it's gonna be my seasonings. Currently look like this. I'm going to get an organizer so I can organize that. And then like down here is just my flowers and oils and everything like that. And then of course I have like stainless steel appliances and all that. Down here would be like major appliances. Haven't even used anything yet. And then I have an air fryer right there. And then in here, I just keep like extra pots and stuff right now. It's just like iron skillets stuff down there. But yeah, that is my kitchen. So this is the reality of moving and living alone. I don't have it all together, but I got it. And we're just gonna go to the living room. The living room. Okay, so I do have 9 feet ceiling, 9 feet or 10 feet. It is very spacious in here. As you can see, this is a 1-1. And I like my layout. It's a weird layout, but I like it. So over here, I plan on having, like I said, my welcome area is going to be right there as soon as you walk in. Trash can is going to be right there. And I plan on putting a dining room table right here. I don't know if I want a round dining room table or a square dining room table. But we're putting the dining room table right there. And then if you come over a little bit more, I'm just gonna come back. If you see me back it up, you can see how spacious it really is. I'm still walking, and boom. Now I'm against the other wall. So you will see I got some on the ground. I want like some chairs right here. It's gonna be my coffee table and my area rug. Over here, I put doggy couch because I'm getting my dream dog and he will have his own couch. And then on the wall over here, you just see like little stuff. I don't know if I want to put like some palm trees and shelves right here, or like a floating fireplace, or just an entertainment set. And I'm not sure which TV I want, so that's right there. You know, my Wi-Fi set up. And then, you know, just shelves and stuff. So this is like what controls my lights and stuff right here. I'm not sure what this does, but that's the fan. And just like more markings on the wall, more stuff I want to put places. Curtains. So I'm putting a big behind mirror over here or whatever. And then right outside that door is my patio. I'm not gonna show y'all that because I don't want anybody to know where I stay, but that is where that is. So we're just gonna walk over here. This is my son's little table. My mom just wanted him to have something to eat on when we moved in, so she just ended up giving him my little sister table that he that she doesn't use anymore. So, and this is just a box of clothes that I'm gonna be giving. This is a box of clothes I'm gonna be giving away, and this is that mural I was mentioning that I'm hanging up on the wall. So yeah, just gonna slide this over here, and right here is gonna be bar stools. I want like 3 bar stools. I have a certain type of bar stool I already want. I already been looking at this specific type of furniture that I want. So, and this is my office area. It's a built-in office. Please excuse the way it looks. I wouldn't say I haven't had time. I've just been too lazy to actually go through these bags and sort out stuff that I don't need, but it's stuff that I do need that I don't want to let go of, if that makes sense. And then like, I just need to get like some organization, like bookshelf separators or something. It's just like my notebooks, our important documents, my diplomas, stuff like that. And then my envelope challenge going on, my work stuff, you know. Trying to stay organized. I got a calendar right there, me and my son, and all that. On this wall, I want to make it like a portrait wall, have pictures from the ceiling down. And then we're gonna move into the room. I do have a king size bed. Please excuse my setup. I just started off with what I could start off with, what was financially stable for me, what I could afford, what I could get at the moment. So those are clean clothespins. I have to go through those clothes and separate them. This room is really, 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 really big and very, very, very spacious, but this is a very large bed set. Like I said, it's a king size bed, and then the type of bed that it is, it has storage around it. So all this extra bench weight, you can lift up. And the builders came and built it. They left like foam pieces in there. I just didn't clean it out. But all the way around, this lifts up. My nightstand that came with it, and my dresser that came with it as well. So this TV my mom gave me at my little sister's room. She got a bigger TV. My son has already broke it from when it was on the ground. So yeah. And then we're just gonna walk over here. It's just, you know, the same thing. I'm gonna try to like squeeze in the corner so you can see how big this room is. It is very, very spacious. Like I said, it's good for me and my son at the moment. And then I'm gonna walk over here, and this is gonna be the closet area. So at the moment, the closet isn't all the way together, but I'm trying to make it come together. At the moment, this is all my baby's toys. Trying to keep my house, you know, not baby free, but cute, you know. I want to turn this into a room for him. His play area, his relax area. At the moment, we just have like stuff, you know, just kind of thrown around. That bin down there is full of toys that's not even open. More toys that's not open. all his little toys and stuff. His shoes, some of his shoes, more shoes up there. And then like just blankets and jackets and stuff. His mattress and all that. But just back it up some so y'all can see. So it's a lot of room in here. Then this is my washer and dryer. So right now I have no closet doors. When I moved in, they were supposed to install doors. They never came and installed them. I'm getting message after message that they received the doors. They're going to be installing them. I moved in November. We and I in January, and I still don't have closet doors. And I'm pretty tired of looking at this, honestly. So I'll probably bug them to come put them in. But it's just like, you know, laundry stuff. And then like I kind of use this as a storage area because I don't really have nowhere else to put it. I plan on putting like a little bench right here, maybe another mirror, like a getting ready area. And then this is the restroom. So, kind of trying not to show myself because I don't look the par. But, yeah. That is my son's toilet. We're going to try to start him to potty train. And my mom gave me this basket. She really just gave me this basket so she don't have to have it in her house no more. I don't even really know what to use it for. But that is my toilet area. I do need to get a plunger, and then like the shower is spacious as well. Nice little shower head. Now those drill holes were in the wall. I believe they had like some type of handles in here that they took out. But that is my restroom. Like I said, it's pretty spacious. I do have an idea of what I want to decorate it as in here. Like I said, I don't even want to keep this blue in here. I really want my house all pink, but I'm trying not to make it as girly because I do have a son and I want him to feel comfortable too and like stuff that he like. So, yeah. And that is the tour. And that is the apartment. I will be doing a full tour again, fully furnished tour when I do get the furniture to fully furnish it. But I just want to give you an idea of an apartment in Tampa for $1,700 a month.